I prefer discretion.
What exactly are you doing?
I'm hacking the FBI.
Step 1. Identify the target and its flaws. There are always flaws. I learned that early in life. My first hack, the local library, a vulnerable FTP server and its AS400, a far cry from the Android 0 days I'm using to own the FBI standard issue smartphone. The library was a test to see if I could even get into the system. I've since set greater goals. For instance, step 2, build malware and prepare an attack. At my fingertips, the 0 days wrapped in code like a Christmas present then becomes an exploit. The programmatic expression of my will. I live for this shit. Step 3, a reverse shell 2-stage exploit. The ideal package. Load the malware into a femtocell delivery system. My personal cell tower that'll intercept all mobile data. Similar to my first time when I found myself staring at late book fees, employee names, member addresses. Everything was revealed. The secret of the perfect hack, make it infallible. Hidden within the kernel is a logic bomb, malicious code designed to execute under circumstances I've programmed. Should the FBI take an image of the femtocell, all memory will self-corrupt or explode. Step 4, write the script. Why do it myself? Because that's how I learned and I know exactly what, when, and how it's going to run. I didn't do anything harmful my first time, just looked around, but I felt so powerful. 11 years old and in complete control of the Washington Township Public Library. Today is different. I hacked the world. Final step, launch the attack. Once I do, I'll own the Android phone of every FBI agent in that building. I'll own Evil Corp's network, applications, everything. Domain admin. This, the thrill of pwning a system. This is the greatest rush. Got access. The feeling never gets old.
There's a new virus in the database.
What's happening?
It's replicating, eating up memory. What do I do?
Type cookie, you idiot. I'll head him off at the pass.
We have a 0 bug attacking all login and overlay files.
Run antivirus. Give me a systems display.
Down was 1 section 6 to 26. Nope, make that 10 to 40. And 1 through 6.
Die, dickweeds.
A rabbit is in the administration system.
Send a flu shot.
Rabbit, flu shot, someone talk to me.
A rabbit replicates till it overloads a file, then it spreads like cancer.
Cancer?
Whoa, rolling hard.
It's the Gibson, it's finding us too fast.
Man, there's too many garbage files. I need more time.
They're at Grand Central Station, lower level. Don't screw up.
No, get out of here! Let's go! Everybody, let's move! Move it! Go! Get the hell out the way! Come on! 30 seconds!
Game's over. Last chance to get out of this without a prison sentence. You're not good enough to beat me. Oh, shit.
Yeah, maybe I'm not. We are, you asshole.
Give it up.
3 minutes to capsize.
Just give